My dear friend, I am Vijay Kumar Pal, an author. These are my books, Vinayam from Thanks of Cobra. So I welcome to all my viewers and my audience, all my the brethren which are hearing my videos. Today ex- we will expose the Islamic hooliganism or the gangsterism against the Jews, Christians, non-Muslims. As you are well aware, that Islam is a perfect hooliganism against the civil society and the human values. And those government which are recognizing the Islam as a cult, the politicians are the bunches of the jokers or bunches or the stupids. And those people who are giving the feast of the iftari, if they are the non-Muslims, they are the najas in the Quranic verses chapter 9 verse 28 declared the non-Muslim as the najas or the najas, that is the filthy and equal to filthy as the stool or the vestige or excreta of the man, human, which is known as the stool in the language of medical sciences. So those all the politicians who are taking the feast of the iftari, a specific feast in the month of the Ramzan, that is this month is running down, and after completion of this month, Eid will be celebrated by the Islamic gangsters. Yes, all the Muslims are the gangsters, or the Muslims are the criminals due to the teaching of the Islam. So all those people which are uploading or giving the upload the Eid festival and celebrating the Eid festival, they are the Islamic goons, Islamic gangsters. Because one verse stated that after completion of the month of the Ramzan, that is the holy month according to the Islam, but according to me and the all non-Muslims, this month of the Ramzan is totally unholy and the symbol of the hooliganism of the Islam. So now I will state exactly the same verse of the Quran chapter 9 Al-Tawbah verse 28, that all the non-Muslims are the filthy and they do not must come towards the Masjid Haram, that is the Makkah Masjid, which was looted and vandalized by so-called Islamic terrorists in my language or my language of the humanity, that was the Muhammad bin Abdullah, who vandalized the 360 structure of the pagans ideals which were being pursued by the pagans or the non-Muslims, and the three main idols or the idols were of the goddess as the Allah, Al-Manat, Al-Ujja, and the one man god is the Hubbal. These are vandalized by this Islamic terrorist, the first and last Islamic terrorist known as the Muhammad bin Abdullah. Those people who are taking the iftari feast from the Muslims, they are the stupids, and in the language of the Quran, they are the najas or the filthy, and their rank is lower than the beast, any beast. So those who criticizing the Israel and the United States of America in the name of the Islam, certainly they are Muslims and they have right to criticize the Israel and the United States of America, because these Islamic goons do not know that they are the certified criminal rapist and the certified robber as per the doctrine of the Islam or the theology of the Islam. Because Islam allows the killings, rapes of the non-Muslim women and the molestation of the non-Muslim women according to theology of the Islam. Islam is a group of the rapist, robbers. So those people who are criticizing the Israel and the United States of America, if they are not Muslim, if they are the non-Muslim, as the many stupid politicians of India, Chandrasekhar Raman, Akhilesh Yadav and so on, are criticizing the Israel and the United States of America, they do not know even single ABCD of Islamic doctrine. That is the totally hooliganism against the civil society and human values, and also breaching the confidence between the whole society, because Islam is preaching the peace and harmony against the non-Muslims. According to the Islam, all the non-Muslims are the filthy, and they are not able to survive in the name of Judaism, Christianity, Sanatan Vedic culture, or any culture which is not affected by the non-Muslim by the Muslim hooliganism, that is known as the Islam or the Quran, and who upload the United States of America and the Israel attack on the Islamic epic center of the Islamic hooliganism, that is the Iran. They are real hero over this society. Donald Trump and Benjamin Netanyahu is our hero, because they are killing such type of the beasts in the shape of the Khamenei and many other his companions who were the Islamic gangsters, Islamic criminals. And these Islamic criminals killed so many, 31,000 Irani people who do not like the Islamic Gunnism. Actually, Iran having only 32% of the Muslim gangster or Muslim criminals, because every Muslim is a true Muslim is a criminal. 68% people of the Iran knows the Muslims. Actually, there was no country as a Islamic or Muslim country before the inception of the Islam in 610 AD by the rogue person, the super duper most rogue person of this society, that is known as the Muhammad bin Abdullah. He stolen so many verses of the Torah and the Old Testament, the Bible, and input in this Quran. And he terminated all the God or creators of the Torah, Christian, of the Judaism, Christianity, or the Sanatan Vedic culture. Though the creator is the only hypothesis I know. But this creator of the Islam is himself a biggest terrorist, rogue person, though the Allah is a fallacy facilitated by Muhammad for his vast interest to looting the caravans, robbery, and to fulfill the lust of the non-Muslims with the women of the non-Muslims who were looted by the Muhammad. So this teaching of the Islam is the only the Muhammad teaching, not the any Allah teaching, because Allah was created by Muhammad for his vested interest, for fulfill his lust of the wealth and the sexual desire. He was so lustful person that he even stated once time when he see a 1.5 year daughter of a Muslim companion named Habibi, that this if she will be grown up and I will be alive or might be alive, I will marry this innocent girl who was at that time only 1.5 years old. So this is the character of the Muhammad. So those as a Chandrasekhar Raman also stating that I will go to against the Israel and the United States of America. thousands of the crore Chandrasekhar Ravan has no value, has no their rank that they can fight against the United States of America and the Israel. But indirectly Chandrasekhar Ravan is supporting the Islamic Gunism. So every politician of India which are upload the Islamic Gunism or taking the Iftari feast are the certified criminal and the terrorist directly or indirectly, because they are propagating the Islamic doctrine or the theology to attend the festival of the Iftari Dawa feast in Eid and Ramazan. So these are also terrorists because they are advocating the Islamic theology without knowing ABCD of the Islam. And the stupid Chandrasekhar Ravan even did not know even ABCD of Islam. How many Quranic verses they are in, or how many hadiths are the certified or authenticated by the so-called stupid rogue Islamic scholars. And it is very amazing that in Islam there is any scholar, where Islam is full of the stupidity, fallacy, criminology, and the book of the crimes. So Quran is the book of the criminology. This is the rogue book, filthy book. Though in the language of any Muslim, Quran is Kareem, holy and Sharif, gentle, but the Quran is a wicked, filthy, unholy book to the human society. After reading the Quran, you must know the ABCD of the Islam, that Islam is a certified Gunism, and which are opposing the Israel and United States of America at this moment. They are certified supporters of the hooliganism of the Islam. They are also the terrorist, directly or indirectly, knowingly or unknowingly. The answer will be given by those who are supporting the Islamic doctrine, whether they are known to the Quranic verses or the Islamic jurisprudence, fiqh, sharia or not. This question is only will be replied by these stupids who never read the Quran and upload the Quranic verses, just like the stupid Chandrasekhar Ravan, the most stupid person of this India, and is sitting as a member of the parliament in the India. And those government who are recognized Islam is a cult, they are also supporting the terrorism in the name of the Islamic support. So we should know all the expectation, or we must know the Quranic verses, we must know the scripture of the Islam, that Islam is nothing else but is a creation of the Muhammad, who was a certified rogue person who introduced the Islam and used as a tool to persecute the Jews at that time, and after this the Christians, and after his death the all Hindus, because the first attack or the invasion of the Islamic goon, that is from the Muhammad bin Qasim in 712, and he confiscated all the beautiful girls, taken all the beautiful girls from the Deval, now known as the Karachi in Pakistan, and went to the that at the time the Damascus was the epic center of the Islamic Gunism. The Caliphate is also Islamic Gunism or the hooliganism. And Asuddin Owaisi is the certified Islamic goon. All the Muslim which are the true Muslim are the Islamic goons, and those are supporting the Islamic goon or Islamic epic center, Goonism or hooliganism epicenter Iran. They are a certified terrorist in the language of human and humanity and peace and harmony of this to this society. So all the leaders which are against the United States of America and Israel are the certified goons, gangsters, even though they are living in India and abroad. No question arises. Uh, some say, somebody says that the America is fighting for the oil. No, United States America has a surplus oil, and my appeal or my request to the China and the Russian President Mr. Vladimir Putin, that you are also sufferer of the Islamic Gunism, Islamic terrorism, and China is also sufferer of the Islamic Gunism or Islamic theology. This is why China doing the good job to eliminate the all Islamic goons which are living in the Chinese boundary, that are the Eastern Turkish Muslims. They are all the Turkish Muslims. That is known as the Uyghur Muslims. They are also Islamic goons, and even the converted Muslims which are living in India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, they are the certified goons. The Islam is a certified hooliganism, and those are opposing the Israel and United States America at this moment. They will bear the atrocity of the Islamic goons known as the Muslims in India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Afghanistan also. Afghanistan is not a good country. Afghanistan full of the goonism, and the goons are the Talibans now which are cooperating with India. Because in Islam, the cheating is also allowed, known as the Al-Taqiyya, and the Afghanistan Taliban is doing the Al-Taqiyya or cheating with the Indian government, and Indian government must know the reality of the Islam. And if the Modi ji and other BJP government minister will celebrate the Eid or will give the well wishes as the Eid Mubarak, they are the certified supporter of the Islamic hooliganism or the Goonism. Thank you very much.